Hey there, food lovers. We have another classic treat for you today. We created the best pound cake ever. This cake is rich, buttery, perfectly golden, and so moist it practically melts in your mouth with every heavenly bite. So let's grab our aprons, preheat those ovens, and create this beautiful masterpiece. Before we start, let's assemble our ingredients. This is the first and most crucial step in our baking journey. Think of it as gathering your team before a big game. Each player, or in this case, each ingredient, has a specific role to play in creating our delicious masterpiece. Like a well-organized orchestra, each ingredient has a crucial role. When everything is in its place, the process becomes harmonious and efficient. Imagine the chaos of trying to find an ingredient mid-recipe. It can throw off your rhythm and affect the final product. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking process. It allows you to focus on the art of baking rather than scrambling for ingredients. This preparation is what separates a good bake from a great one. So, let's dive into our lineup. Butter, unsalted and softened. This is our flavor foundation. Butter adds richness and moisture to our cake, making it tender and flavorful. Softening the butter ensures it blends seamlessly with the other ingredients, creating a smooth batter. Sugar, granulated, for sweetness and texture. Sugar not only sweetens our cake, but also helps to create a light and airy texture by incorporating air when creamed with butter. It's a key player in achieving that perfect crumb. Eggs, large, at room temperature to bind everything together. Eggs provide structure and stability to our cake. Using them at room temperature ensures they mix more evenly into the batter, contributing to a uniform texture. Flour, all-purpose, for our cake's structure. Flour gives our cake its form and body. Sifting the flour helps to aerate it, removing any lumps and ensuring a light, even texture in the final product. Baking powder, a touch for a delicate rise. Baking powder is our leavening agent, helping the cake to rise and become fluffy. Just the right amount will give us that perfect lift without making the cake too dense or too airy. Salt, just a pinch to enhance the flavors. Salt might seem like a small addition, but it plays a significant role in balancing the sweetness and enhancing the overall flavor profile of our cake. It's the unsung hero of baking. Milk, whole milk, for richness and moisture. Milk adds moisture to our batter, ensuring our cake is soft and tender. Whole milk, with its higher fat content, contributes to a richer flavor and a more luxurious texture. Vanilla extract, the secret weapon. Pure vanilla extract, please. Vanilla adds a depth of flavor and a wonderful aroma to our cake. It's the finishing touch that ties all the other flavors together, making our cake truly irresistible. And there you have it. Our baking brigade is ready. With all our ingredients prepped and organized, we're set to embark on this baking adventure. Let's get started and create something delicious. Every outstanding performance needs a properly prepared stage. In the world of baking, this means having all your tools and ingredients organized and ready to go. A clutter-free workspace not only makes the process smoother, but also ensures that you can focus on creating something truly special. So, let's get everything in place before we start. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial because a properly preheated oven ensures even baking, which is essential for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your cake. It might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in the final result. Grease and flour a loaf pan. This simple preparation step prevents your cake from sticking to the pan. Use a generous amount of butter or oil and make sure to cover every corner. Then add a light dusting of flour, shaking off any excess. This creates a non-stick surface that will help your cake release easily once it's baked. This prevents the cake from sticking. A well-prepared pan is the foundation of a successful bake. It ensures that your cake will come out cleanly, without any pieces left behind. This not only makes for a prettier presentation, but also makes cleanup much easier. Now, line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper. This extra step might seem unnecessary, but it adds an additional layer of protection against sticking. Parchment paper is a baker's best friend, making lifting the cake out of the pan easier without any hassle. This makes removing the cake a breeze. With the parchment paper in place, you can be confident that your cake will come out perfectly every time. No more worrying about bits of cake getting stuck to the bottom of the pan. Cut the parchment to fit perfectly. Take your time to measure and trim the parchment paper so that it fits snugly in the bottom of the pan. This attention to detail will pay off when it's time to remove the cake. Our stage is set, and we're ready for the main act. With everything in place, we can now focus on creating a delicious cake. Remember, preparation is key to success in baking. By taking the time to set up your workspace and prepare your tools, you're setting yourself up for a successful and enjoyable baking experience. Let's get started and make something amazing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar. Use an electric mixer on medium speed. Beat until the mixture is light and fluffy. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial. Creaming incorporates air into the batter. Air makes our pound cake light and airy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. We want all that buttery goodness incorporated. It's time to incorporate the dry ingredients, and let me tell you, it's like a gentle dance. Each ingredient blends seamlessly, creating a beautiful harmony of flavors and textures. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. This ensures even distribution. Now, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients gradually. Mix on low speed just until combined. Do not overmix. Overmixing will make the cake tough. Now stir in the milk and vanilla extract until just incorporated. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Use a spatula to spread it evenly. Smooth the top for even baking. Place the pan in the preheated oven. Bake for 60 to 75 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma in your kitchen will be heavenly. After the allotted time, check the cake's doneness. Insert a wooden skewer or toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. If the toothpick has batter on it, bake for a few more minutes. Every oven is different. Keep a close eye on your cake towards the end of the baking time. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. This cake is delicious on its own, but feel free to get creative. Dust it with powdered sugar, add a dollop of whipped cream, or serve it with fresh berries. Today, we embark on a delicious journey, one that promises to fill your kitchen with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked pound cake. A journey to create the most incredible pound cake you've ever tasted. Imagine a cake so perfect, it melts in your mouth with every bite. This recipe is a family favorite, passed down through generations. It's more than just a cake. It's a piece of history, a tradition that brings families together. Get ready for a melt-in-your-mouth experience. You won't be disappointed. Each slice is a testament to the love and care put into every step of the baking process. This pound cake is special. It's not just any cake. It's a celebration of flavors and textures that come together in perfect harmony. It's moist, buttery, and full of flavor. The texture is light yet rich, making it the perfect treat for any occasion. The secret? Using the finest ingredients and following our simple steps. Quality ingredients make all the difference, and we'll show you how to use them to their fullest potential. Trust us, anyone can make this cake. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe is foolproof and guaranteed to impress. So, let's tie on our aprons and get started. Gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and let's create something truly magical together. This is more than just baking. It's an experience, a journey of flavors and memories. Let's make this pound cake perfection a reality in your kitchen today. Congratulations, you've baked the best pound cake ever. We'd love to see your creations. Share photos of your baking triumphs in the comments below or on social media. Don't forget to tag us. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Until next time, happy baking.